In this cross-curricular project, students blend STEM subjects, art, and even language arts to take on the role of astronauts that have discovered the perfect exoplanet. Instructions. Students will need access to the internet for online research, paper for sketching, poster-sized construction paper or cardboard, markers or crayons, and modeling clay. The activity typically takes one class period for research and another for making art. The challenge, the perfect planet. An astronaut team just discovered a brand new exoplanet, the perfect planet. Design a model to show us why it's so amazing. Before you start, you'll want to link this project to grade-appropriate content. Discussing exoplanets is a great science subject in itself, but the project naturally lends itself to a cross-curricular approach. So for younger students, you might also use the project to discuss habitats. For older grades, you could discuss distribution of resources and fair laws, linking to economics and civics. You can use these subject areas to make the challenge more specific. For example, students might be asked to design a planet that solves a particular Earth problem, like hunger or poverty. Step 1. Create. We'll use the 4 strands of the arts standards to structure the activity. In the first class period, students begin their research online, tackling specific questions posed by you in line with the learning outcomes. They then discuss what they learn in their groups, and finally, sketch their ideas for the perfect planet. In the second class period, students will continue to work in groups, using their sketches as a starting point for 3-dimensional displays made with construction paper, cardboard, and modeling clay. These displays should showcase the unique features of each planet that make it ideal. There is huge scope for creativity and imagination in this project, but space is already an amazing place. Did you know that there's an exoplanet discovered in 2004 that's twice the size of Earth and could be made of diamonds? Perhaps the perfect planet might be a mining colony. By starting with research, students exercise their creativity and back up their ideas by citing evidence. Step 2. Present. Once their displays are complete, each group will present to the class. Their presentations should link back to the subject area you defined at the start, so prompt students to explain how the features of their planet address those questions. Step 3. Respond. After each group presents, classmates respond. You can use guiding questions to help frame the discussion. How did your research provide evidence of what other planets might be like? How did creating sketches help develop your ideas? How do these planets compare to your life on Earth? If you did this project again, what would you change? Step 4. Connect. The final step is to connect the project to other curriculum areas and opportunities for deeper investigation. For example, a math extension could explore concepts like the volume, mass, and circumference of each planet. For language arts, students can name their planet and record a video news report about its discovery. Combining art with STEM, or STEAM, allows students to see firsthand how creativity is important in every field, for scientists, artists, engineers, and writers.
Brought to you by Crayola Create Ed Professional Learning.